Okay, so I've got my computer here and we're going to upgrade the RAM if we can to 96 gig from 32. Okay, just looking on the screen, it seems to imply that we've got this B1, B2, A1, A2, and if you have a single one you put it in B2, so I'll check if that's what my manufacturer did. If you have two, you put in A2, B2, so I'll put the new ones in there, see if they work, and then I'll try the third one probably in B2, and I might get another stick. So that's what I plan to do. Okay, so we're just taking the side panel off here. Okay, he's going to try, I'll get out of his way and slot these in, and the idea is that these should take us as to two 32s making 64 into the greys, and I think it clicks on one side only by the looks of it. That sounds good. So this should, and you see he's careful just to touch the bit where it says crucial, that's it, it's going in. And the idea is that we put these in, see how they work, and assuming they work well, we'll either get another two to make it to 128 and sell off the 32, or I'll put the 32 in and get a spare one. But my guess is that it will slow the speed down, yeah? So it's probably better to get two. That looks good. That's clicked in beautifully. So let's pause this and boot it up. Windows is coming up. I thought it would come to the BIOS. I'll just pause it. Okay, it's come back up. Let's run the CPU Z. Okay, it's back and running. What does it say? Memory. Oh, it's the same, 13, 64 gig. Yay. So we've got 64 in. Nice. 13, that's interesting. So the other one said 13, it's still kind of reading half. So I think we could put this other one, maybe I have to do something on the board to speed it up.
On the BIOS, yeah.
On the BIOS, okay, we're going to that.
Let's per second.
Okay, it does say 3200.
But it's not megahertz, it's MT second. What's that? I never heard that.
Oh, I don't know. It does say, it's just we ripped that bit off, we were too keen.
I'm going Dell.
Okay, he's pushing the Dell key to get to the BIOS, and he's put the extra RAM in. Oh look, it says it there, 2600, 3200. So it tells me the one's undefined, the other one's crucial. So it sees the RAM up here.
Nice.
He was going to put it to 3200, and actually it's interesting, that says 3200 megahertz, and on the thing it says 3200 MTS or whatever. Wow. So they've got a different way of measuring it, yeah. So the point was that it would be possible to set it to higher speed. So probably what I need to do is to buy two more sets of the crucial and throw away or sell the other chip, yeah. And then I'm up to the full 128. And the idea is to use this to do some virtualization. Auto, yeah, okay, cool, sounds good to me. I wonder if it'll change that bank along, yeah. I don't know how to find out. Anyway, it's working, so it's good.